Hi, I'm making what's known on the web as the Hallet bag. Little bag, and it will hold 4x4 greetings cards. So it's rather cute. So first of all, I'll give you the measurements of the parts that we need. For the base, you need a card that is 2.5 by 5.25, and you score it all the way round on all 4 sides at 1/2 inch. You fold it, and this will make the base, the box. Okay, the next piece is a sheet of paper, 12 by 3.5 inch, or 11, well yes, 12 inch by 3.5, and then strips. These are approximately 3/4 inch wide. You need 3 of them, and they're 12 inch long. Okay, let's get going. First of all, you crease your score marks on your box, and then you cut there, take a little notch out, turn it, cut, take a little notch out. By taking the notches out, it just means that they fold that much tidier. 2, 3, and finally that one, the 4th one. Right. Usually when you make boxes, you put your tabs on the inside. But with these bags, because you want your inside of your bag to look nice and tidy, you put them on the outside. So a little dab of glue. Does it hold? Doesn't take too long for the glue to set. Little dab. Hold it together. This glue is the Tombow multi glue from Stampin' Up, if anybody's interested. I tend to vary with which glue I love at a particular time, and I'm just getting used to using this one. It has the advantage of a thin top or a bigger one, though I have to admit I haven't used the chisel top as yet. I've only recently started using this glue, but I have to say I'm quite impressed so far. Right, there's your little box made. The next piece, I'm going to use the spotty on the outside. So what you have to do is get your tape. Now you'd be better using your red stronger tape, but as I've run out, that's not an option. So you go all the way down one side and up. So what will happen is that sticks on the bottom round your box, like that thus, and that piece there overlaps so it comes round like that. Now I found it's easier to put your base part and your top part on prior to sticking that round, so it doesn't crease. So take that, put in the side where you've got your sticky strip on the side to your left, and your tape at the bottom, so you know which way your bag is. Now this piece, as you can see, I've put the little false dashes for stitching on there, but I've only put one line, whereas on the other 2 pieces I've got 2. So the one with one line is for the base. So remove your tape and stick this right down to the bottom edge. Right, you'll see that there's a gap at the end there. That's because the card wasn't quite 12-inch wide, but I found that if you start it at the end that overlaps, that bit doesn't matter too much, because obviously that covers the overlapped part, so you can just about get away with it. And this one on the top of your little bag. Oops. If I'd lined it up properly, I wouldn't need to take that off. Okay. Right, now you need to take off the sticky strip from your base and your side. Now you need to start approximately halfway down your box, and you start with the side that hasn't got the strip, because as we said before, you'll be sticking that over. So you get your first piece on, gently encourage it round the box, leveling it up the bottom of your card with the base of the box. So far so good. As I said, you do need quite a strong tape, because I haven't got any of the wonderful red tape left at the moment, so I just have to hope that this tape will stick. And if you see, it's just, well, just take that little bit where it's showing the pink through, and you'll just see that it's coming over. Now I found if you get your bone folder and just run it around inside, that makes sure that you've actually got it stuck well down. So there's the start of your bag. Now you have your handle. So that was a 12-inch length piece. If you cut it in half, so you have 2 6-inches, that makes your handle. And get your bone folder. And this is just so you get a little bit of a curve to your handle. Just run your card across your bone folder. Now we're just going to put the holes in for fixing both your handles, and I'm fixing them with brad. So a little hole there, trying to make sure that they're in the centre of your little band and equally from the sides. It's a bit of a guessometer. There. And we want to put holes in the ends of our handles. Right, now we need some brads, which if I'd been intelligent I would have taken them out prior to starting. I think we'll have little hearts, little tiny ones. So you're in to your strap, into your bag, open up, pray that you've got another one. There it is. So when you bring your strap, like all good ladies' handbags, just curving it in through your hole, in and open. One strap done, turn your bag around, there's another one. I was going to get them out before I started. I got so stressed with lining up my camera, or should I say my iPad, that I completely forgot. So I apologise for the delay where you watch me poke these around. Right, and your final bag, handle, whoops, in through your hole, and that's your bag done, but I think it just needs something little extra. So I've got the flowers that's punched there, so there's 3 little flowers, and if you get your ball tool and just push them in the middle, just gives it a bit of shape. Poke a hole through, and we've got fit these on with brads. 1, 2. You could stick them on with sticky dots, but I quite fancied the idea of matching it up with the metallic look. So as I've got so many brads knocking around that haven't been used for I don't know how long, I thought I'd do it this way. Right, I'll put the first one in there. Yet again, pull the little flower leaves up, and we'll put the second one. Go. And finally, the last one. Give them a little bit of lift again, and there is your bag. Now, as I said, they match the 4x4 cards, and here's one little 4x4 card, and the envelopes just fit in there. That holds quite nicely 6 little cards and envelopes. I think it's a lovely little gift. I hope you have fun making them. As I said, the lady's surname was Hallet, and has it, and everybody's making these bags now, and I can certainly understand why. Thank you.